Hi, my name's Tom. I was given this next product to go ahead and tell you all about it, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. This probably looks familiar. It's a standard two plug outlet with two things in it, and it's already used up. Everything's there. I can't plug anything else into it. I have a charging block with a phone cord on it. That's pretty standard. And I have a lamp plugged into this. It's right next to our couch, so you can charge your phone while you're there. But that's it. I'm out of power. No good. This is the NTONPOWER 9 outlet charger outlet block, and it is amazing. I have used this thing like 4 different places in the house. I have to pick up some more because I need them. Let me tell you all about it. So first of all, I want you to see it does come with a cool little trapezoidal design. That actually comes in handy. I'll show you why in a moment. But let's just talk about the outlets. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different outlets on it for plugs, and as well as then you also get 2 USB-A charging ports and 1 USB-C charging port. And again, whatever cables you have, you can just use all those things. Or if you needed more things to charge in a spot, you could obviously go ahead and put a power block into one of those outlets. That's fine. But let me just kind of show you how it works. On the back, there are 3 prongs and then another kind of a plastic prong to hold it in place. So this will typically go over a double outlet just like that. Now, I just turned a double outlet with 2 plugs into something with 9 different possibilities. Again, 6 different outlet ports as well as 2 USB and a USB-C. So now I can plug all sorts of things in. Obviously, my iPhone, I no longer need this power block, so I'm just going to plug that into there. And then my actual lamp itself. Now, this is kind of an unexpected design feature that I really liked a lot. This trapezoidal thing allows you to kind of move plugs around. So I can put one over here, I can put it here, I can put it here. Sometimes different angles are better for different plugs, and that's where this comes in. That's a really, really helpful feature, especially when you have like power blocks. So I went ahead and put this in my kitchen where I have a whole bunch of other kind of things charging. I have pencil sharpeners and phone chargers and all sorts of stuff. And I put it in my kitchen, and that was really nice to be able to put the power block of a phone, an actual cordless phone, on the side. So it was kind of tucked out of the way. This thing is really nice. I also tried it behind my nightstand, which worked really well. This is a surge protector, so it will go ahead and protect things in case you typically get surges. It's something like, I think, 1,080 joules that can protect up to. It's nice and stable in here. It's not a GFI outlet, but it is pretty secure. It's not going to move anywhere. It's not going to fall. Now, I've used things like this in the past, and this is okay, but they're not great because, one, when you put them up there, they will tend to block the bottom one as well. So you really only get 3 outlets out of this. You only get 1 outlet extra, and you only have 2 little USB things. Not great, and they're all flat. They're all straight out. That's where this trapezoidal design is a little bit better. I do like the different angles. So if you have a table between 2 couches, you can actually run plugs from both sides as well as forward. So that's really nice. The fact that you have multiple USB ports up here, not just 1 or 2, is also really clever. It's a really, really nice power block. It's a good surge protector. Again, it's NTONPOWER. They are a good brand. I've had a couple of little things from them before. I really like this particular one. I think I'm going to have to get another one maybe for the kitchen, bedroom, and then maybe one in my living room as well, because I have a whole bunch of things kind of plugged in the corner there. But yeah, this is actually pretty impressive. Oh, by the way, there is a little hole here, and it comes with a screw. Some outlet covers have a hole in the middle. You can actually take the outlet off. If you want to, you can take the plate off. You can put this, and you can actually screw this into it, so it's really secure. I haven't had a problem. When I put this thing in, especially with that little plastic post, it stays nice and secure. It's not going anywhere. If anything, my outlets are looser than this thing. Yeah, it works really, really well. The fact that it's got a little screw there is a nicety, but not a big deal breaker for me. This is just really, really a nice outlet extender, and I would highly recommend this.